Let's see the bullet hits. And go. 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 Fire. Go.
¿Sentiste el calor?
Yeah, this one's for real, guys. Watch out. And action.
Carnage and Karma. Good job, fellas. Take a bow. Nice. Show everyone else you can do. Let me play a little music for them. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ah, get down. A little reggaeton. Gasolina. Nice. Now, Carnage and Karma, along with all the bullet hits and the explosions, all of that is called motion control technology. It allows filmmakers to create impossible scenarios and keep everybody safe while they film. Computer-controlled robotics like Carnage and Karma can rehearse all day, take incredibly precise direction, and perfectly repeat their performances over and over and over without ever asking, what's my motivation? Carnage and Karma are motion control. Is somebody standing? All right. Please sit down because we're about to move. All right. Carnage and Karma are motion control vehicles from Fast and the Furious. All right, let's leave the mean streets of Tokyo and go to a nice quiet jungle island off the coast of Costa Rica. That's